Kicking off our list, we have real estate. Now, this is a classic choice for many investors, and for good reason. When you venture into real estate, you're looking at investing in properties. This could be homes, commercial buildings, or even parcels of land. These are assets that can appreciate in value over time, but that's not the only way they can pad your wallet. You see, these properties can also generate income through rent. Imagine owning a commercial building in a bustling city or a cluster of apartments in a thriving neighborhood. The rent you collect from these properties can serve as a steady stream of income. And the beautiful part? As time goes by, the value of the property itself could also increase. So you're not just earning from the rent, but also from the potential appreciation of the property's value. Real estate is a tangible asset with long-term potential, making it a solid choice for building wealth. Next up, we're talking about business ownership. Owning a successful business is akin to possessing a golden goose. It can generate a consistent stream of income, and if you nurture it right, its value can increase over time. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get my hands on this golden goose? Well, it all starts with choosing the right industry. This decision is pivotal as it sets the stage for the performance of your business. But choosing the right industry is just the first step. You also need a solid business plan. This is your roadmap highlighting your objectives, strategies, sales and marketing plans, and financial forecasts. It's your guide to making your business profitable and sustainable. Remember, a business is more than just a money-making machine. It's a creation that reflects your passion and dedication. With the right strategy, business ownership can be a pathway to immense wealth. Now let's turn our attention to financial instruments. These are the magic keys that unlock the world of investing in a myriad of assets without the need for direct ownership. We're talking about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other similar options. Think of it this way: instead of buying an entire bakery, you're buying a slice of the pie, a share in its profits, losses, and future growth potential. The beauty of financial instruments is that they allow you to spread your investments across different sectors, companies, and even countries. This strategy, known as portfolio diversification, can help to balance risk and reward. And with careful research, you can identify potential winners and ride the wave of their success. Remember, investing in financial instruments is not about quick wins. It's about long-term growth and wealth accumulation. Through financial instruments, you can tap into the growth of the financial markets. The fourth asset on our list is land assets. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just real estate? Well, not exactly. While real estate often refers to developed properties, land assets are typically undeveloped or used for agriculture. This might include a plot of land in a growing city or farmland in a fertile region. The beautiful thing about land is that it's a finite resource. As populations grow and development expands, the value of your land could significantly increase. Not only can land appreciate over time, but it can also generate income. Agricultural land can produce a steady income if you lease it to farmers or farm it yourself. Undeveloped land can be leased for a variety of purposes, such as outdoor events or even billboard advertising. Strategic land purchases can lead to significant profits in the long run. Moving on, we have leasing equipment. Now this is a unique source of generating income, and it's worth considering if you're interested in passive income. What does it entail? Well, consider this. You purchase equipment such as construction machinery or vehicles and then lease it out to businesses or individuals. It's a straightforward process, but it's one that has the potential to generate a steady stream of revenue. While the equipment is being leased, you're earning income, and the equipment itself retains its value. It's a win-win situation. The beauty of this asset is its versatility. You're not limited to any specific industry or type of equipment. It could be anything from a food truck for a budding restaurateur to a high-end camera for a freelance photographer. The opportunities are endless. Leasing equipment can be a great source of passive income. Coming up next, we have brand equity. Now, this might seem a little less concrete than our previous assets, but its power should not be underestimated. Picture this. You've cultivated a strong brand or personal reputation. This isn't just about having a catchy logo or a snazzy website. We're talking about the perception that people have when they hear your brand name. It's about the trust, reliability, and quality associated with your brand. This reputation can yield tangible benefits. It can increase sales as customers are more likely to buy from a brand they trust. It can open doors to partnerships as other businesses want to collaborate with a reputable brand. Plus, it can lead to licensing opportunities, allowing others to pay to use your well-respected brand name. So while it might be intangible, don't discount the potential of brand equity. Brand equity, though intangible, can be monetized in various ways. Next, we delve into the digital world with domain flipping. This intriguing asset class is akin to real estate trading, but instead of properties, we deal with domain names. Yes, the website addresses you type into your browser. These domain names can be bought, held, and then sold for a profit, much like a piece of property. The beauty of domain flipping lies in its simplicity and low entry barrier. With a keen eye for trending keywords and a bit of luck, one can purchase a domain at a nominal price today, which could be worth a fortune tomorrow. This market is fueled by the ever-expanding digital universe where a catchy, relevant domain name can command high prices. Of course, like any investment, it calls for research and patience, but the potential for significant returns is undeniable. Domain flipping is a creative way to invest in the digital age. Now, let's not forget the most important asset: your health. Yes, you heard that right. Your wellness is as much an asset as your stocks, real estate, or businesses. It's an investment that guarantees substantial returns in the long haul. Consider this: when you invest in a healthy lifestyle, you're essentially reducing potential future healthcare costs. It's like putting money back into your pocket. But there's more to it. By engaging in regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and practicing stress management, you're not just preventing illness. You're also enhancing your productivity, boosting your mental clarity, and improving your overall quality of life. All these contribute to your ability to generate wealth and manage your other assets effectively. So make a conscious effort to invest in your health, just as you would in other assets. Remember, your health is indeed an invaluable asset. The penultimate asset isn't a tangible one, it's the power of compounding. This principle is a game changer in the world of investing. It's the process where the returns on your investments are reinvested, and in turn, they generate their own returns. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and speed with every roll. Imagine your investment as a tree. The initial seed you plant is your principal amount. As the tree grows, it yields fruit. Now, instead of eating this fruit, you plant it back into the soil, giving birth to more trees. Over the years, you're not just growing a tree, but an entire orchard. The key to unlocking this power is patience. The longer you leave your investments to grow, the larger your orchard becomes. It's not about getting rich quickly, but about building wealth sustainably. Harnessing the power of compounding can significantly boost your wealth-building efforts. And that brings us to the end of our list. We've journeyed through a variety of assets that have the potential to create wealth, from the tangible stability of real estate and land assets to the dynamic potential of business ownership. Each asset class offers unique opportunities. We've also explored the digital frontier with domain flipping and the importance of nurturing intangible assets like brand equity. Financial instruments provide a way to participate in a range of assets without direct ownership, while leasing equipment can generate regular income. And let's not forget the crucial role of personal wellness as an asset and the magic of compounding in wealth creation. It's clear that the secret to building wealth lies in diversification. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Choose your assets wisely, diversify, and watch your wealth grow.